So I am on my mobile's home screen, and from here I will access the Gmail app on my phone. Once I open the Gmail app on my phone, I will click the profile icon on the top right corner and select Add Another Account option. And from here I will select the Google option. Right when you see this black screen, you will actually be asked for the mobile password. So you will have to enter the mobile password or the pattern lock or the fingerprint lock that you have enabled on your phone. You have to enable this option. After you are done, the screen will take time to load like this, and then you will find a sign-in page on your phone where you will have to enter the email ID which you want to sign in with. I am using this email ID over here, which I use for trying out different apps and products from Google. So I'll enter the email ID like this, and then I'll click Next. You will be prompted to enter another password, and this time you will have to enter the password of your mail ID, and then click Next again. Then you will have to click on the I agree button, and then the screen will take some time to load, and shortly you will be redirected to your mailbox like this. Again, when you click the right corner at the top, you will see that the account that you wanted to add has already been added. And when you click on that account, you see all the mails in your mailbox. Because I use this mail ID for the trial classroom that I run with my students, you can see all the mails over here from my students.